Now this time again I have chosen similar kind of problem. And we will solve this problem in similar fashion. So let's solve it. So the plates were arranged in this manner. Again, this is a problem from SL Arora. Again, first you have to number the plate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This be plus and this be minus. So if this is minus, this has to be minus, this has to be minus and this has to be minus. If this is plus, this has to be plus, this has to be plus, this has to be plus. Clear? 6 plates, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and 1, 4, 5 are joined. 1, 4, 5 are joined. 1, 4, 5 are joined. And 2, 3, 6 are joined. 2, 3, 6 are joined. Let us put the charges. So charges in 1 is positive and in 2, 3 negative. So 2 is negative, 3 is negative. 4, 5 positive. 4 is positive, 5 is positive. Sorry, by mistake I have done this. And your 6 is negative. Clear? And you have to find put x and y, p and q, So this is your point P and this is your point Q, and you have to find equivalent capacitance of this figure. Now from point P you can see 3 plates are coming from point P, 1, 4 and 5. From point P you can see from point P connected to 1, connected to 4 and connected to 5. 3 capacitor plates are joined to P. So P is connected to 1, P is connected to second capacitor 4 and P is connected to third capacitor 5, and 1, 4 and 5 all have positive plate. So it is plus, it is plus and it is plus. And opposite to 1 there is plate number 2 and having negative charge. Opposite to 4 there is a negative charge 3, plate number 3. And opposite to 5, there is a plate, negative plate 6, plate number 6, and 2, 3, 6 are connected to Q. You can see clearly Q is connected to 6, Q is connected to also 2 and 3. So 2, 3, 6 all are connected to Q. 2, 3, 6 all are connected to Q. Now you can see that 3 capacitors C, C and C all are in parallel. So the equivalent capacity with C equivalent is going to be, when 3 capacitors are in parallel, or if all having capacity C, then the equivalent capacitance has to be 3C. And in place of C you can write epsilon naught A by D, that is 3 thrice epsilon naught A divided by D. So I have chosen 4 different problems using same concept. So sometime what you have seen, plates are induced and sometime plates are not induced. So when the plates are induced, if the plate is not connected to the source, only then plates are induced. and if the plates are connected to source, there is no question of induction. So, here you will have no question of induction, because all the 6 plates are connected to source. Plate number 1, 4, 5 connected to positive source, plate number 2, 3 and 6 connected to negative source. So, there is no question of induction. But let us go to earlier problem where we have seen that induction took place. Here, in this problem, this is an irregular problem 3.133. Here what you have seen, plus charge, this y is connected to source, x and y both are connected to source. So, both are plus, and x, since x is connected to source, this plate has to be plus, y is connected to source, this plate has to be minus in both the side, and opposite to this can be induced. So, this has to be, this is plus induction. When this is plus, this has to be minus induction. So, these 2 plates which is not connected to source, induction will take place, but plate number 2, 3 is connected to source. So, induction cannot take place. 4, 5 connected to negative source, there is no question of induction, since it is connected to negative source. See the earlier problem, let us see the earlier problem. Again plus minus. So, this plate is connected to source. So, 2 and 3 is positive, but one is not, plate number 1 is not connected to source. So, you will have a negative induction here. Again 4, 5 is not connected. So, for positive, for 4 can be negative, and 6 is connected to source. So, 6, plate number 6 has to be negative, and it will induce positive here. So, 5 is positive and 6 is negative. So, sometime induction takes place, and induction only takes place when the plates are not connected to source. If the plate is connected to positive source, that plate will show positive charge in its both surface. If the plate is connected to negative source, then the plate has to be negative in both the surface, and if the plates are not connected to source, then induction takes place. And this is the only basic concept you have to use in such kind of problems. So, if once your concept is clear, you can go for another some other harder problem. So, collect some harder problems and solve it, and have mastery over it. Okay.